started probably about a year and a half was when the neighbour complained the first time. I rang Barkbusters and asked them what I could do, and they said get it neutered. I only had one at the time. And so we did actually do that in the end. We got him neutered and it didn't make any difference. So we got a puppy, a friend, to keep him occupied. So yeah, they became good pals and that was fine. But the barking continued. Almost straight away we got a complaint from the council. They suggested getting a gate. We put the gate up, and it was about 3 days after the gate finally went up, I drove up the driveway, just looked towards the garden and saw what I thought was rubbish, and this is what I found. Straight away I thought, because of the piece in the front, that it was a bugging device. I was shocked. Couldn't believe it. The council, 2 men came and were very apologetic and very embarrassed, they said. The woman did not follow protocol, and they are now talking to all their staff to make sure that they do. I had no problem with them putting it there if they had asked me.